Hi friends, you are welcome back to the second episode of this story, The Three Great Trees. You remember where we stopped last time? Yeah, they were about sharing their dreams, visions and aspirations. So let's hear them out. Don't go away.
I would like to be made into a big boss where treasures will be stored. Royal treasures, said the first tree. That is a great idea, the second tree commended. But after a little thought, he said, my dream is to be constructed into a big ship and carry a great man who will travel from one nation to another and will do great things. I can't wait for the day when I will be used in making the tallest pole, said the third tree. Tallest pole? For what? Asked the first and the second tree. The tallest pole to carry a flag of a mighty king, so that anytime people look at it, they will know who the mighty king is, explained the third tree. And so the three trees expressed their desires and waited for their dreams to come to pass. Days passed, weeks passed, and a month also passed. It was a bright sunny day. A group of men entered the jungle with axes and swords. They stood in front of the first tree and admired it. They cut it and brought it down. It was carried on carts. Each journey ended in a carpenter's shop. The tree wondered what next would happen to it. Within a few days, a big boss was constructed out of it. Then it was kept in front of the carpenter's shop for sale. In no time, a shepherd passed that way and glanced at it. He liked it. It's a good manger, he thought. And quickly, the shepherd paid the carpenter for the boss. He kept it tight on his donkey and carried it to his stable. He fed it with enough straw for his cattle to feed. The place where they put the boss was a shepherd's stable in Bethlehem. It was a dark, starry night. A couple hurriedly entered the stable. They also had a donkey. They lit a lamp and kept in one of the stable. The animals in the stable were surprised to see these strangers. They were busy eating their straw from the new manger. The man's face looked worried. His wife was heavy with pregnancy. The man asked his wife to lie down on the cloth he spread for her. And then, suddenly, there was a cry of a baby. The cattle stopped eating the straw. They had never had a human baby's cry in that stable. That stable was for animal babies and not human babies. The man smiled at the sight of a newborn. He carried the baby near to his wife's face. Both were happy to see their son. The man looked around as if for something, and then he lifted the manger and brought it closer to his wife. He rearranged the straw. He wrapped the baby in bands of cloth and placed it on the manger. The wooden manger carried the son, the treasure of Mary and Joseph, baby Jesus. This is beautiful. You see, the first tree has successfully fulfilled his dream. We'll be right back on the next episode to see what happened to the second and third tree. Keep following. Keep following.